Hey, this is Jordan Smith from Rapido Trains Inc., and we're here in sunny Southern California.
Hello?
What are you doing?
You said they filmed Doctor Who here, so this is my Doctor Who costume.
Star Trek.
Star Trek.
Go back and get changed.
Star Trek.
Oh, this ding-dong. As I was saying, we're here in sunny Southern California today, and...
All right, Star Trek. Cisco.
What are you doing?
Cisco.
Wrong era. Wrong show. Wrong uniform. And you're not wearing a communicator badge. Jeez.
I'll try again.
Back to the academy for you. Look at this. He's back with the right uniform.
The right uniform. I even got this. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You know, if it wasn't raining today, that'd probably have started a forest
I didn't know that
fire.
was on. Sorry. Anyway, okay. We're here because we're going to talk about packaging.
Yeah.
And
that's our new bulkhead.
Our new bulkhead flat cars really well. They were fine coming from China. Even by courier from China, they came okay. But then when we shipped them out, the courier companies, like we do a drop test in our factory, right? And
yeah, we do.
They're fine.
This
they must be really beating them up.
They seem to be a couple people, not a lot, but a few people have been saying that they're breaking in
yeah,
by the couriers.
So we decided that Jordan's going to do a drop test of these things.
No, you're going to do it.
No, Jordan's going to do a drop.
Do that. You're going to do it. Get up there.
No, seriously?
There we go.
You are.
Right there.
You are so fired. You know that?
Yeah.
No, you're fired.
It's happened before.
Like, no, you're fired. I can't believe you. No, he's holding a phaser on me.
Yeah.
You're
Get
crazy.
up there. Right now.
It's wet and dangerous here.
It's not a me problem. That's a you problem.
Come on.
Keep going.
I'm climbing through a river, you hosehead. Ugh. Come on. This is crazy. How's this?
Yeah, it's good there.
Okay, so here I am at the top of a thing, and we're going to try a drop test because we think that this is how the courier companies treat our models. We ready? We have the okay down there? Okay. Jordan, can I come down now? Okay. Whoa! Ow! Ow! Ooh! Oh! Ow! Oh! 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 Ow! Ow! Oh! My head!
Jason, what are you doing? Get up.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Fine.
You want me to help you up? Or
Okay. There. My butt's in a river. All right. Let's have a look at this thing.
There you go.
Oh, beauty. All right. Here's a nice spot. Let's
yeah.
just sort of.
Nope.
Oh dear.
Hey. Oh, what the hell's going on here?
We're from a mall train company, and we were testing our packaging, and it kind of failed on us.
We wanted to see if it would survive.
Yeah. Now you've left this rubbish here in a pristine forest floor. I mean, what's going on? This is plastic, right? You know about plastic? It never disintegrates. In 1,000 years, it's going to be microplastic. In 2,000 years, it'll still be here. What are you thinking?
Do I know you from somewhere? Are you?
I think we do.
Are you on TV?
No, you don't know me.
No, we know you. We know you.
I don't know you. You don't know me.
No, I'm pretty sure we know you. I think you're on TV.
Yeah, I think
What have you done?
On TV. I'm not.
What are you?
All right, listen. If I tell you what I've done, will you leave me alone?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we
What have you done?
All right, Broadway, off Broadway.
No, that's not it.
Doesn't
You
ring
know
a
me
bell.
from
Well,
somewhere.
I did a television show, 7 seasons, Family Ties.
No, that's not it.
watched
All right,
that show,
7
no
films,
that.
Tremors. I did Tremors.
That's it. MASH! He was on MASH. You're that guy, Hawkeye. You're Hawkeye from MASH.
Alan Alda.
You're Alan Alda. Oh, this is so cool. We're meeting Alan Alda in the forest.
I'm not Alan
This is
Alda.
like-
I'm
you're
not Al.
Yeah, you
No,
are.
oh.
That's great.
All right. I'm Alan Alda.
Hang on. No.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
sure?
He's not Alan Alda. Alan Alda would
Why
not
would
be
he be out here?
traipsing around here.
In the middle
No,
of
you're not
nowhere.
Alan Alda.
Yeah.
Pick up your trains. Get the hell out of here. And get a life.
That must be Alan Alda.
Hey, Mr. Alda. Hey, can I get your autograph?
Go
Yeah,
ahead.
can I get your autograph, Mr. Alda?
No stopping.
Hey, Mr. Alda.
Desist.
Can I get your autograph?
You're out of here.
You just want autograph my friend
I'm calling
Bobby.
the police. Moron. Psycho.
Oh, come on, Michael. Come on.
no,
Come on.
listen,
Come on.
no,
Come on.
I
Come on.
gotta do it.
Come on.
I'm
Come on. Come on.
tired.
Come
I
on.
just-
Please,
ours
please. Come on.
once.
Come on. Just once.
All right. There was a kangaroo in my living room.
Lunatics.